morning everyone, this is DailyCHilli. Today is Monday and this is an update of my weekend. It was pretty good, met some friends, also watched a lot of movies. I watched The Room, which is this movie that is now like a cult movie. That for many critics says like it's the worst movie ever. It's very interesting to watch that movie. Also, I watched Ready Player One, which was okay. I mean, I read the book. Of course, as all the adaptations from a novel, they changed a couple of things, but in general, it was very well done. So it was a Steven Spielberg's movie, and one of the things that I mean, especially in the last 10 years, all these movies that they put a lot of effects like CGI. I don't know, for some reason I prefer more like the old style, like old school effects. But anyway, something that I'm sure is not gonna be possible, and in the coming years it's going to be more and more CGI in all the movies. So yeah, that's my update for today. And today's sentence, my Chinese sentence is 我的钱不够怎么办? En español, no tengo suficiente dinero, ¿qué hacemos? O no tengo suficiente dinero, no hay nada que hacer. So it's an expression that you hear in China a lot, in Chinese a lot, and I think it's very useful. Okay, so that's it for me today. And my password for my daily journal is movie. Okay, see you, bye.